Hi guys, you've probably seen many clips on the internet about restoring plastic bumpers with heat. It does work, it looks really good, but only for a couple of months. I done my one last year, and to be honest with you, now it looks actually worse than what it was looking when I started. It's gone really dull, grey, and it's very patchy. So I think now I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try to actually spray painting my plastic bumpers. Now, since I have few scars and scratches around the bumper, I'm going to try just to flatten it down a little bit with sandpaper. I've got 240 grade sandpaper, and I'm just going to try to gently sand it down, just to try to flatten these scratches. Then I'm going to apply plus face paint. Right, after rubbing down, I'm going to use UPVC cleaner and just wipe the whole area off from any dust, and that should remove any waxes or anything like that. Right, I've removed the number plate, cleaned up all of it, masked up. I think I'm ready to start painting it. I have purchased off eBay dark grey bump and trim spray paint. No needs for special pre-treatment, self-priming paint. So I'll give it a go and let you know. It's always good to preheat the can before spraying, because atomization of paint gets better, so you get nice and neat finish. Leave it a couple of minutes in there like that. Now, I'm not sure it can be seen on the camera well or not. I got this dark grey paint. Now, actually on camera it doesn't look that bad, but in real it's got a brownish hint to it. Doesn't really match the rest of the van, to be honest. I think I'm going to coat it up with black. A little black on the bumper, and could do silver on the bottom of the grille. I'll try that, play a little bit with that, and we'll see. But for paint as it is, it actually came up pretty well, I think. It's only got one coat on it. It's different. The problem is it's different grey of this than this grey. This is more like a bluish hint grey. That's very dark, smaller anthracite, and that's what I was expecting. I was expecting something like anthracite grey. It's not. It's more like it's got a brownish hint to it. So that it's far away from that. Now, because the handles, side cap, windows, mirrors are black, I think I'll just change it to black and just keep the van simple, silver and black. Right, I just coated it with black matte paint. It's still a bit fresh, so you got a bit of shine on it. I think, well, I prefer this black more than the grey I had on. So, yeah, that's the answer. I'll go for black. I left the middle bit without black because I'm going to go silver on that bit and try that combination. So far, black's good. Yeah, black is good. I'm happy with that. I'll leave it for half an hour or so and then take the protective films off. Right, and this is the finished product. I'm more than happy with it. Still, I mean, there are scratches present on the bottom of the bumper. I didn't go mad with rubbing down, filling too much. Just wanted a quick solution. As a quick solution, blacked up bumpers, corners, silvered up the middle bit. I think it looks pretty decent. You probably noticed some bit of sticky tape there in the middle bit, but that's where the number plate goes. I didn't really bother with that because the number plate is going to go back on it. So now just need to carry on, sort out the back end. That